I ordered this yarn from Wool Warehouse. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So if you've ever ordered from Wool Warehouse, you know that their yarn come with it come in a beautiful organza bag. So yeah, so this is it, and I ordered this. It's a pack which is called Aria blanket. It's by Arctic 24. I saw it online and I really liked the way it looked. The pack comes with everything that you need, I think, except the hook. I don't see the hook in there. Yeah, but you've got the yarn, all the yarn that you need for the blanket, and you've got the pattern. So here's the pattern. So yeah, so it's got all the instructions that you need to crochet the blanket. It's got everything. So the blanket is colorful. It looks, the end results will look like this. But it looks a bit different from what I saw online, so we'll see how it turns out. The colors here, they look a bit dull. I know it's colorful, but the one that I saw online, I think it was on Pinterest or somewhere, it looked really bright, especially the middle part there. So we'll see when I've finished the project how it looks like. So yeah, this pattern is from Arctic 24. This is the first time I'm trying her patterns. So in the pack there is 15 times 100 grams balls of Stylecraft Special DK. That's how it looks like. And this color is called boysenberry. I don't know if I've pronounced that correctly, but that's one of the colors, and we've got all the other colors in there. I'm not going to take them out of the bag because I don't want them to be all over the place. For those who crochet or who knit, you know what happens if you take things out of packages. You know, the yarn will just tangle and it will be a mess. So there are 144 squares in total, arranged in 12 by 12 format. So I think I'm just going to take it easy on this blanket. I don't want to stress myself. So I'll just divide the 144 by maybe 5 or 6 squares a day and see how it goes. I think it will take me about a month to finish this. So yeah, follow me on social media. If you want to crochet along, you can buy the kit from Wool Warehouse. It's called Aria blanket, and it's from Arctic 24. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video. Please subscribe, share and comment. I hope to see you again soon.